Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And today what I have are two forms. I have the 8020-2 form right here. And then behind it, I have the 8050-1 form. Now, this is the registration form. When you buy the airplane, you fill this out along with $5. It goes to the FAA and the address and all.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Plane right here, and you can have, as you can see, you can have up to 26 different owners of an airplane. Most people ended up buying it as a single owner, title owner, but this is easy to fill out. It's easy enough to understand. There's nothing complicated about this aircraft when you buy it. So this form is easy, the 8050-1. This is the one that tends to trip people up. So let's take a look at it. Now, let's go through a kind of section by section. Aircraft bill of sale. For and in consideration of. Now, in the old days, people used to just write in the amount. You buy an airplane, $22,000, $22,000. But then people could go online and see how much you paid for your airplane. So now the way to do it, the preferred method, is where it says compensation is $1 plus OVC, Oscar Victor Charlie, other valued consideration. Now that other valued consideration might be another pile of cash. It might be a car. It might be another airplane. It might be several items in a pile. You don't know what it is, and that's the whole thing. So it says, but the dollar keeps it legal. Then you put the N number, the aircraft manufacturer, the aircraft model. Now let's take an example. We'll pick 5938 Lima. It's an American aviation product, 1970, 1969. Aircraft model was the AA1, the Yankee. Aircraft serial number, AA1-0138. Does this numbered day of this month of the year thereby grant, transfer, and deliver all rights, interest in and such aircraft onto the name of the person buying the airplane? Now, the seller normally fills out this part. He fills out this part, and he leaves this part for the purchaser, and then the purchaser fills out 8050-1, and off the paperwork goes with a $5 check to do the paperwork, transfer the aircraft, and you'll get back a little signature card that'll go in your airplane in the mail, part of your aero paperwork. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the paperwork you need to buy an airplane, the 8050-2, and the big takeaway is the $1 plus other valued consideration. There you go. Hope you enjoyed flying this. Hope you enjoyed watching this. And I hope you're having fun flying your Grumman, hopefully. Thanks for watching, folks, and good day.